Hello guys, you're playing fling things to people. Oh, and I noticed you can hear my click, so alright, so let's get to it. So I have two options. Should I be an absolute bully? Or should I be nice? If this thing stays flat, I'll be an absolute bully. Since when do they stay flat? Yep, see? Anyways, I'm getting interested in Jujutsu Kaisen, so domain expansion. House. Don't ask questions. This is still here. Anyways, I made this with a couple people, like random people who wanted to join. I guess they joined the game because they want to play this. Oh, and apparently some good played this. Join just to put these up. Yeah, I didn't put these. Some girl put them. Anyways, I remember they were like that. Alright. Oh, okay. I didn't put these. I didn't put you. I didn't put you. I didn't put you guys. Why are so many of you black? Why are most of you black? I specifically put my avatar. Most of you are black. Jesus. Oh, that sounds racist. Alright, have fun. Wasted. Learn the new thing. Apparently these stay normal when you throw it. These stay the same shape that you throw. You stay up. You stay up. No, what? No. You stay down. You stay down. There you go. There we go. There we go. Finally. Sheesh. No, that's explosive. That's explosive. That's explosive. Come on. 69. 69. 4. I wanted 69. And this. Go away. Does something seem a little bit red to you? Oh. And the moment there we see the next slice of cake. I'm getting that. Just where is it? Where is it? Don't tell me so, Cell. It's empty. Oh. Never mind. You want some red? You want some red beam? Now it's time. You're gonna make me lose control. That red thing on top looks quite dangerous. But I don't think it's dangerous. Yep, it's totally not dangerous. Let's just face it around against a crowd of people and throw it. Yep, not dangerous. He's just playing around. Not dangerous, guy. Just in case. Ah! You're too dangerous. I'm throwing you away. You're going to the jail cell. Let's just... Oh. Alright. The frick you do that for? What the? I didn't press... You know what? It's easier. Reminds me of the 50K. He really flew this. They flew this. This is the only thing new. Yeah, not dangerous. Not dangerous. Not dangerous. You know what? It's getting boring. Oh, no wonder. You're supposed to be chibi or something. What the frick? Okay, how do people chew them so far? Let's practice with a trombone. Huh! I guess I can chew that far. But that's too easy. I barely do that thing. Alright. That. Alright, if Renzo the coolest narcissist. Anybody here? Oh, a balloon. Oh, it dissipated immediately. Usually it's like 2. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother you guys. Either you. Only people who are toxic I'm gonna attack. Alright, let's walk out to you and test. Are you gonna be toxic, Nightman? Isn't that the whole point? To be honorable? Oh, what the f- Too much power? What the frick? Oh, hey! Hey! Oh, you! F you! F you cunt! Get over here! No. Can't. Don't. Nope. Nope. Get out here. Get out here. You know, I hate it. I can lose my cool sometimes. Oh, not you. I was like, alright. Fling something, dude. That's the whole point. I'll put this on your head. There. Here you go. Oh, and today in school, a senior gave a student stole one of the seniors' computer iPads to watch TikToks. I know it was YouTube, but to watch K-pop. Yeah, there we go. To watch K-pop. The thing is, the senior felt bad for taking his iPad back. You got me. You got me, you strange. I hate bullies. Oh, you wanna go from the back, huh? You like to get back shot, huh? Is that why you have blue hair? Is that why you have white hair? Is that why you have white hair? You wanna get effed, don't you? Effed. You wanna get effed. Oh, effed. Huh? You like to get effed so much, don't you? Well, get fling, bucko. You in a treaty? You in a peace treaty, huh? What the fuck? Or who the who's the guy with the red one? Who is he? He looks like my avatar. Who's the red guy? Oh, it's you. Go. Huh? You like explosives? Wow. Boom! That's right. Where do you go, to be honest? Boop, 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 boop. Is he chill now? I'm willing to end this peace treaty with a poop. We can end the peace treaty with a poop if you want. Yeah, poop. We can end it with a poop. We can end the conflict with poop. Eat it. See? What did you want to do? Oh, sorry. It wasn't begging, so give me my poop. So what do you want? You gonna throw me? Because from this angle, he ain't throwing far. I'll just hold on to this just in case. What are you gonna do? Everybody else is moving. AFK. My boob! Let's just... Don't tell him. Ah! Don't tell him, shall we? There you go. You're gonna make me lose my cool. 50k, 50k. He spent like 10k, 20k. Hey, but still that is still too much, over your king's getting animated. It was probably taken down for nudity, It was taken down because nudity. Hey, but I'm guessing because when I went to Bubbly's her channel, oh, it was gone like hellfire. And my friend Saucy Man told me a story about Bubbly's bullying a fan, forcing him to make it memes so he can react and not help him and not mention him anyway. He's a big choke for saying that. Now it's time for me to fling. Oh, come on, I swing him for 10 times. It's too heavy. Fatty. Oh, wrong side. Wait, did the tree just talk? Do you talk? Do you have video? What is this? Hello? Do you talk? Oh, it said something about you like to... There we go, happy tree. Now all I got to do is get up, fat ass. Alright. Stay out, fat ass. You can't be thrown that far. Alright. Oh, there you go. Alright. What, did the others not go out? What the heck happened? That's usually what happens. Alright. Yeah, I'm setting them all out. Oh, wait. Bye, fella. That's a waste of time. Now let's go find some people. Why are there so many here? Why are there so many? I highly... Oh, is this the same person? You know you can save it in your house, right? The freak? Why are there so many lanterns? What happened to you? Is it just... Oh! Yeah. Oh. Let's go. Wait, ah! I was afraid that was gonna be a crash landing. In that corner, we have the Onichi Baku and the Matcha. We have Oni-chan and Matcha fighting in the corner. Matcha's gone somehow. Matcha left the game. And Oni-chan's running away. In the meantime, Godzilla Utama is saying, I can't understand. Wow, Momad Afra Wowo is chasing me. Get out of here. Is it me? That's Mayo. Alright, let's bring where Godzilla go? Get on, Godzilla. You know what? I have that. You're gonna make me lose my cool up on you. Yeah, like my PP cruiser. What the frick? What the vending machine? Vending machine. Oh, you're a dick. Oh, you're a dick, Vin. Oh. You're a dick. Yoink. Yoink. Oh, what the frick? What the shit was that? Sorry, dude. My right. I'm taking your right. Where'd that vending machine go? Which is... Hi. Now talk. Oh, finally, real milk. Thanks. What the? Where is it? Come out! Oh yeah. You wanted the milk? Alright, where is that from? What is that from? Okay. Alright. What's this platform from? Why is everybody getting this? Huh? You know, I say he. Magical world. Oh! How am I flying in an impossible way? As either holding on to something or this. How do you spawn it? The best thing I have is this. Boop. Watch me get the rarest thing, which is yep. See, I told you. You can just be moving anyway. Now this time. Oh, what? What the shit? Bully. Oh, God, make me lose my cool. Up in the air, up in the air. So I say, the frick?